Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 8 total screws on the base cover to lift the cover off the device. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive 2230. Remove the 2 screws and unlatch the drive to remove it. Find the speakers and disconnect the cables. Remove the piece of tape and disconnect the cables. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system and reconnect the cables. Reattach the tape and plug in the cables. Reconnect the battery cable and secure the base cover with the screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.